जी नाज़रीन, मुतासरीन ज़लज़ला में जो जो लोग ज़ख्मी हैं उनकी तीमारदारी का सिलसिला जारी है। आज इंग्लैंड टीम के आदिल रशीद जो कि मीरपुर के रहने वाले हैं, आज वो यहाँ मीरपुर हॉस्पिटल का दौरा कर रहे हैं और कुछ ही देर में यहाँ पहुँचेंगे और मरीज़ों की तीमारदारी करेंगे। उसके बाद मीडिया से भी बात करेंगे।
Assalamu alaikum. I'm here today in Mirpur. I'm there to help out, inshallah, to do my bit. You know, there's been an earthquake here. There's been a zalzala which has, destructed Mirpur. Mirpur is in not a good state at the moment. So, my aim is to come here along with many other people, like Islamic Relief. There's court. There's other people out here helping, and we're looking to do what we can to help people who are injured. I came to the hospital today to see a lot of people. I seen a lot of people injured. I seen a lot of the elderly people injured. I seen a lot of kids injured, and you feel for them. You get upset. You feel for them, thinking these are your own people who are struggling. So it hurts as well. So so my aim is to come here to help do my bit, along with friends, along with family, along with everybody we can. We all collectively come together and help out and bring Mirpur back up together again. So that's the aim. This is why I'm here, is to help the people of Mirpur. That's my people as well. Like I say, from family, my my Rishtadar here, my family, born in Mirpur, and these ends. So it means a lot to come here and help out. And like I said, that's the aim, is to get Mirpur back up and running, and inshallah, with Allah's dua, we do that, inshallah. No, definitely, inshallah, if you have the means, पैसे हैं आपको, time है आपको, ज़रूरी आना, Mirpur में, because it's a difficult situation now with Mirpur. A lot of things happened here with the earthquake. A lot of people, have sadly passed away. A lot of kids have got injured. It's going to take many, many years now to get Mirpur back up and running again. So we all, inshallah, all collectively around the world have to come together and help this cause. And hopefully, inshallah, we can do that and really, help Mirpur and really put it back on its feet, inshallah.